How to use promo code on HelloFresh. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use promo code on HelloFresh. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to HelloFresh.com. Make sure that you're signed into your account. After that, you have to add your or select the meals. So here you could click on see pricing and meals. Now you will land on this interface where you have to add little information about you. So first of all, you can enter your zip code. Under that, there is a text field that says enter promo code. So if you have any promo code that you can use, you can simply add your promo code right here and then the discount will be applied. Click on apply button and it says you are getting a discount. Then you have to click on continue. And on the next step, you have to select your plan. Then click on select this plan. Now you have to enter your shipping information, and on next to that there is your order summary where the discount has already been applied right here. So in case if you miss apply adding promo code in the previous step, you could also add it from here. And then click on apply. After that you will find your discounted amount. Once you're done, you could simply head over to next step and then confirm your order. That's it. That's how you can use a promo code on HelloFresh, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.